and welcome back to Lina English Studio. I'm glad you're here. In this video, we're going to explore a small but important part of English pronunciation, the final S sound. You've probably seen it at the end of many words, but did you know it's not always pronounced the same way? So let's get started. The final S can sound different depending on the word it follows. There are three common ways to pronounce it: S, Z, and ES. The first sound, S, is voiceless. This means your vocal cords do not vibrate when you say it. You use this sound when the word ends in a voiceless consonant, such as P, T, K, F, or TH. For example, in the words cats, books, and laughs. The second sound, Z, is voiced. That means your vocal cords do vibrate. You use this sound when the word ends in a voiced consonant or a vowel sound. Examples include dogs, pens, and loves. In these cases, the final S is pronounced as Z. The third sound, is, adds an extra syllable. This happens when the word ends in sounds like S, Z, SH, CH, X, or GE. For example, in the words buses, dishes, and kisses, the final S is pronounced ES. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time on Lina English Studio.